Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix Likee app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have everything about your profile, your messages. We have the big plus button where you can go and put in your content. We have the Explore and the For You page at the end. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Likee app not working. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, the first thing that you can do is go and delete the application and install it again. Maybe there was something that was not working with it. Also, you can go to the App Store and check if there are some updates. Maybe the application is not up to date. Also, you can go restart your internet connection and then go in and again. And you can, of course, try restarting your phone. So basically, you can shut down your phone and then turn it on again. You can also try to go and just exit the application and go and enter it again without logging out, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.